Kim Granata Clark here from Ergonomics and You, your posture tutor. This week's tip is on your chair seat height. Are you sitting high in your chair and not using a footrest? Are your feet flat on the ground? Stay tuned for more information. These are the chair levers on the side of my chair. This middle one here is your chair height adjustment. As you can see, there's a little arrow right there pointing to the seat pan, raising the chair up and down. That's the lever that you use for chair height. It is close to sitting underneath the chair armrest here. Usually on the right hand side, the chair height lever is just below the armrest and chair height is right here. So when you're sitting at your chair, you want to have your hips slightly higher than the knees. So I'm going to put this as the lowest that this chair goes. So my hips slightly higher than the knees, not yet. So I need to raise it up just a little bit. My hips a little bit slightly higher than my knees with a slight downward angle. Thank you for watching and listening to my tip for this week. Now go adjust your chair height. Make sure your feet are flat on the ground or using a footrest. Bye for now.